In this series of videos we'll look at how to set up a session. So we open Compass and click scoring, and then we can choose one of the four options: pairs, Swiss, multiple teams, or Swiss teams. Let's have a look at the pairs contests in this video. Click that, and now we just presented with a series of options on the left hand side. You just click and make your selection. Some users of Compass will note that there is a new feature here called feed-in boards. This is introduced in version 2012.5.21. Anyway, it's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so how do we do this? Okay, we just select the the table numbers. It's 12, and then we can just leave the movement filter to all, so that's all movements, or if you prefer you can just choose one of your sort of normal movements that you may use, say Mitchell, and then in the next panel it just gives the common Mitchell movements for 12 tables, which is just 2 boards per table. You can extend the number of movements displayed by clicking the all button, and now we've got 1 board per table, 12 Mitchell, 2 boards or 3 boards, so that's 12, 24 or 36 boards in total. So okay, let's say we then, for example, choose the 12 boards, 1 board per table option. The next thing we can select is the feed-in boards. We can just use the plus or minus arrow keys to increase the number of feed-ins that we have in this particular session. So that's just a plus or minus key. You just increase that, and you will notice that the scoring summary in the bottom part of the screen does update as you go through that. If you select the 2 board option with an even number of tables for Mitchell, then by default it just asks you which of the options that apply to this you want to play. Table 1 share with table, well, it'll be table 12 in this case, or do you use the east-west skip halfway round? Now the table share is by far the most common, so it defaults to that, so you don't have to do anything. What else? Let's just choose another example here. Let's say 9 tables. So for 9 tables we've got all these possible options available. So they're all the movements that are available, and if we click that down it just then extends. We can play Mitchell with 9 boards, 3 boards per table, or Howell with 13 boards, 2 boards a table. Actually, you'll notice I left that on all. If we click that to common, then the list is a little bit shorter. Not a lot shorter, but a little bit shorter. So okay, we've got the options with 9 tables to play Mitchell or Howell, hesitation Mitchell, extended twist and bungee, pivot, 1.5 table, appendix Mitchell, or even a 34 board barometer. How about that? Okay, so that actually before we go, once you've selected your movement, let's pick the 24 board pivot. So we've got the summary here. We can print the movement, so I'll just do that. So, and I'll go there, and I'm not sure whether you can see that, but I've got a Primo PDF installed as my printer, so it prints to a PDF file, and there's the guide cards and explanation of what 9 table 24 board pivot is. Just one last thing on the scoring type. We've got the options of match point, butler, or multiple imps. I wouldn't worry about that too much. I just select match point, because once the scoring, all the scores are entered and you're looking at the result sheet elsewhere, Then you can do a rescore using butler or multiple imps or match points at that point. So it's not really important to select the right movement up front. Anyway, that's the end of this video, so check back and check out other videos on this page.